Here are the top 5 reasons why you should visit Kalamitsi Beach on Sithonia. Reason 1. Crystal clear waters. Kalamitsi Beach is famous for its crystal clear shallow waters, making it perfect for swimming and safe for families with children. Reason 2. Soft sandy shore. Enjoy the soft golden sand under your feet, ideal for sunbathing or building sandcastles with the kids. Reason 3. Snorkeling heaven. Snorkelers will love Kalamitsi's rich underwater life. Grab your gear and explore the vibrant marine world just a few meters from the shore. Reason 4. Authentic Greek hospitality. Relax at the beach bars and traditional tavernas, where you can savor delicious Greek food and refreshing drinks with a view of the sea. Reason 5. Water sports galore. For the adventure seekers, Kalamitsi offers a range of water sports including kayaking and paddleboarding for an exciting day on the water. With its natural beauty and welcoming vibe, Kalamitsi Beach is a must-visit destination on your Sithonia adventure. See you on the sand! Enjoyed this glimpse of Kalamitsi Beach top 5 reasons to visit? Hit the like button and subscribe for more bite-sized and engaging information about Greece. Don't miss out, your next adventure is just a click away.